Want to control YouTube TV with just your voice? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up and start using voice commands for easy control. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Step 1. Make sure your device supports voice control. First, make sure your smart TV or streaming device supports voice commands. You can use Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple Siri with YouTube TV. Devices like Chromecast, Roku, Fire TV Stick, or smart TVs with built-in voice assistants work perfectly. Step 2. Set up voice control. For Google Assistant, open the Google Home app and tap Add. Select Set Up Device and then Works with Google. Find YouTube TV in the list and link your account. For Amazon Alexa, open the Alexa app, go to Skills and AMP, Games, and search for YouTube TV. Enable the skill and link your YouTube TV account. For Apple Siri, open the Home app and tap Add Accessory. Follow the instructions to link YouTube TV to Siri. Step 3. Use voice commands. Now that your devices are set up, you can control YouTube TV with simple voice commands. For example, "Hey Google, play my favorite show on YouTube TV." "Alexa, open YouTube TV and watch a movie." "Hey Siri, pause YouTube TV." Step 4. Enjoy seamless voice control. With voice commands, you can now easily control YouTube TV without lifting a finger. Whether it's playing, pausing, or changing channels, it's all at your command. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and keep an eye out for more tech tips. Microphone television.